Alright guys, beautiful short signal showed up on the NAS today using this volume color band, and the sellers have finally started to dump this market. Alright guys and gals, and whenever the large traders start selling the market, then I want to participate alongside them and short the heck out of the market as well. In fact, let me just show you the full morning session. Check this out here, man. Look at this color change on the volume indicator today, right? Look at how cleanly this thing changed from green into red right here, letting you know that the sellers started to enter this market, and it was at this moment in time where they started to dump their shares, right? Just a mass liquidation all at once, creating this beautiful downtrend. Right? So for all you guys and gals out there who have been debating on if you should add the NASDAQ to your watch list and your potential trading symbol list, okay, well, if a day like today didn't convince you, then you may never be convinced, right? This particular symbol, man, is on fire. You would not believe the intraday volatility that takes place on a daily basis on the NAS, as well as how frequently this volume indicator color band nails the trend changes. All right, so let's get into it, guys and gals. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you had a fantastic trading session today, especially if you were trading the NAS. And yes, you can trade the NAS on any asset class, Forex, futures, stocks, and options. The NASDAQ is easily accessible for all of you traders out there. All right, just trust me. I'm 100% certain you have access to the NAS. All right, and of course, what you're seeing on the screen right now with respect to this green and red color band, this is our proprietary volume-based indicator tool. This is our take on market profile, and this indicator, all right, this color band has one job and one job only, and that is to identify and alert us on these trend changes. Right? You've heard me say this a million times, that the only way, in my humble opinion, to find long-term consistent success with speculating in the market is by following the large traders. And it's the large traders that cause these types of massive, massive trends, right? It ain't people like me and you, right? People like me and you only have one job, and that's to follow the large traders who cause moves like this. Because when they enter the market and start dumping shares, whoo, it's an absolute beauty for guys like me and you, right? Because then it simply becomes a game of observation and waiting for the right time to enter and participate alongside those large traders. And as you guys and gals know, I love these freaking retracements. Okay, I like to call it the perfect trading setup because in my humble opinion, I think it is. And these retracements happen all the time, okay? And I still get questions to this day on what is a retracement, so let me break it down for you nice and simple. All right, a retracement is any time you see the trend established, meaning that the downtrend is underway, okay? What you're looking for is the market to retrace and come back up above the color band, and this represents a very high probability area and location in the chart of being able to open a potential short trade within context of the trend, right? This right here, okay, this nice, beautiful retracement that we got is the perfect trading setup, and I can almost guarantee you that my clients and customers will tell you the same. There ain't nothing like being able to get the direction right and using the trend direction to identify and qualify a high probability setup. And if you wanted to quantify this, guys and gals, this was an easy 200 tick move straight down in just 45 minutes. Okay, so I want to give a big congrats and warm welcome and shout out to all of my new customers and clients that I onboarded over the last couple of days. Regardless of how you traded today, man, I hope you had some fantastic success, whether you traded just the color change, meaning the more aggressive approach, or if you're like me and you like trading these retracements, then today was yet another day where it was simply too easy. And I really hope that we get another trading setup just like this in tomorrow's trading session for another 200 ticks. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.